To reach the carbon neutrality goals in 2050 for the Netherlands and 2060 for China, hydrogen is a hot topic in both countries. For switching to a hydrogen economy, there are still many questions to solve and issues to tackle. What are the main issues that China is facing? What is the current strategy and policy? And where are the opportunities for Dutch hydrogen companies on the Chinese market? The Netherlands Innovation Network in China and the Consulate of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Guangzhou are organizing this roundtable session to find answers to these questions and more. To get a full overview of hydrogen in China, we've invited experts in different fields to talk about policy, research, and business. Are you active in the field of hydrogen, and are you interested in China's latest hydrogen developments? Learn more about how China is planning its hydrogen economy at our upcoming digital roundtable discussion on Wednesday, August the 25th at 10 o'clock Dutch time. Register for free via Zoom or watch via our YouTube live stream. And don't forget to follow us on social media for future hydrogen-related events.